Hey, what's up guys? Are you guys tired of spending too much money on your tires? Having them wear out fast, having to get new tires, things like that? Well, if you are, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys here for a little bit and show you simple steps that you can take to make your tires last way longer than they are lasting now. All right, so these tires that I have on the truck right now, I have about 40,000 miles on these tires. Okay, so I plan on taking these tires out another 20,000 miles. I think I'll definitely get at least 10, but I'm gonna try to push it out to 20, so a total of 60,000 miles on one set of tires on my truck. All right, so your first step, what you want to do is you want to go with a reputable tire brand. Okay, if you got a truck, a few that I'll throw out there, you want to look into the Nitto tires, you want to look into Toyo tires, any of the bigger brand name tires. All right, especially when you're buying these mud tires. They have some other brands that I would definitely stay away from. Some of the Ching Chang ones, as I like to call them. For the tires I'd stay away from, I'd say a Turo, stay away from those. Stay away from the Fury, stay away from the Federals. Those are the three main brands that I personally wouldn't buy for a couple reasons. Number one, they don't run as wide as they advertise. So if you get a tire that's 12.5 inches wide, or a 1250 from Nitto or Toyo, they're gonna measure out to 12.5 inches. Go ahead and get in a Turo or a Federal or a Fury, and they're not going to measure as wide as they advertise. Okay, so that's number one. If you're gonna, you know, get a specific size tire, you want it to be the right size. Number two, those tires ride terribly. They are extremely loud, they're bumpy. I don't know how they actually do off-road. They might do well, but they're just a terrible all-around tire. And then number three, why I wouldn't go with those tires, they just wear out fast. I've got several friends who have put 30,000 miles on those tires, and that's all that they're able to get out of them. And they have to take them off, and then what do? They end up buying the same crappy tires again when they could buy a name brand tire like a Toyo or a Nitto, or you know, anything like that, and they would last a lot freaking longer. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is I want to talk about preventative maintenance to keep your tires lasting a lot longer. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you need to get an alignment whenever you're putting a new set of tires on. Okay, get a good alignment, ask for the actual spec sheet. They'll print off a sheet that has exactly how much camber and caster and toe and all of those things, and they can show you the factory specifications, and then they can show you what your vehicle actually aligns to. So if you go get that good alignment on a rack that has the digital instruments, you'll get a really good alignment and your tires will last longer. With that, you should also rotate your tires regularly. Okay, I am bad and I did not rotate my tires as often as I should, and as you can see here, they're kind of what people would call their cut, or there's a couple different things that you can call them. You could call them like clapped out, whatever. But as you see on the outside of the tire here, the tire, you know, the tread is a lot lower than on the inside of the tire. You know, you see the inside of the tire, my, you know, good portion of my finger goes down. You come here to the outside and the tread is extremely low. So I get that problem on the front, most likely because I didn't have the truck aligned. I had it aligned from like Sears or something like that, and I was told that they did a good job. Got the printout. The printout looked good, but to be honest, like just looking at this is coupled with needing a new alignment and needing to rotate the tires. If I would have rotated the tires every 4,000 to 5,000 miles or around every oil change, I'll tell you these tires would look a lot better right now, but they're starting to look bad. And to be honest, I'm going to pull these tires off in about 10,000 miles and probably replace them. And probably sell these ones. Somebody will probably buy these for a mud truck or for some roller tires or something like that. I'll probably get 50, 60 bucks for them at least.